Welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into the protein-packed world of muscle growth. I'll be sharing with you the easiest, most convenient, high-protein snack recipes to help you effortlessly lose weight and gain muscle. But before we get into things, be sure to smash that like button and press the red subscribe button to get updates whenever I release more pure, valuable muscle building content. Now, let's jump in. First question, how much protein should you be eating daily? Well, this is a pretty controversial topic, but the data seems to suggest that at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight is an ideal daily protein intake for muscle growth outside of calorie consumption, which you should keep in mind. Because if you want to gain weight, then you need to eat more calories than you're burning. Keep watching until the end of the video for my top muscle building supplements that you can easily add into your diet for muscle growth. Not all protein is equal when it comes to building muscle. Plant protein is deficient in leucine, an essential amino acid, meaning that we must get it from our diet. Leucine acts like the switch for muscle growth in the body by triggering muscle protein synthesis, a crucial process in the body for muscle growth and recovery. The top 8 leucine sources all being from animal products, like whey protein, eggs, fish, beef, and pork. So with all of that out of the way, animal proteins are going to be the base of our high protein, easy snack recipes. First up, cottage cheese and berries. 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese has a whopping 32 grams of protein, the majority being made up of mostly casein protein. Casein protein is slowly digested, which makes it a valuable tool for muscle growth, especially when eaten right before bed, as a high protein snack to help grow our muscles while we sleep. I included berries to help round out the flavor profile and for easily digestible carbohydrates that are gonna also help with muscle growth and recovery. Next up, a fun one and one of my personal favorites, low-fat yogurt and gummy bears. It might sound pretty ridiculous, but this recipe is actually loaded in protein. Add in a couple cups of yogurt and you've got roughly 30 grams of protein. On top of that, add in the additional protein found in gummy bears. Yes, that's right. This makes for a yummy high protein snack with a diverse amino acid profile, which will not only help you build muscle and lose weight, but also help out your joints, ligaments, and connective tissues to help round it all out. Also, worth noting, both cottage cheese and yogurt contain probiotics, which are beneficial gut bacteria that will further support protein digestibility and enhance nutrient absorption. I'll also stir in about 5 grams of creatine monohydrate, the gold standard when it comes to muscle building supplements, and improve your body composition. So if you're not already supplementing, I would highly recommend. I'll be sure to include a link in the description box below to a trusted vendor that I use at an additional 10% off for all my viewers. Anyways, back to the video. This third recipe is gonna be a real curveball. It's not for your average Joe. It consists of about 4 raw eggs with, wait for it, maple syrup. That's right. In the 1980s, famous bodybuilder Vince Gironda compared eating large amounts of eggs to doing a cycle of steroids. This is because eggs contain a lot of cholesterol and fat-soluble nutrients like vitamins A, D, and E, which all support testosterone production and muscle growth. So contrary to what you'll hear in the news, eggs are not bad for your health. They're actually amazing for you. The maple syrup is really just for the taste. But in general, it's always a good idea to be combining your protein with carbs to enhance protein digestion and to make sure that you don't become hypoglycemic, a state associated with muscle loss. So it's a win-win. Okay, this last one is gonna be like a choose your own adventure because it's not reinventing the wheel by any means. It's a protein shake plus a banana. Not just any protein though. Specifically whey protein, which has the most scientific literature backing it up for muscle growth and performance, outweighing all of the other protein powders combined, with the one exception being collagen protein, which I'll be making videos on in the future, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. But yeah, so it's a whey protein shake plus a banana. Throw it in a blender bottle, or do you one better and put it in an actual blender for a muscle building protein smoothie. With whey protein, you're typically gonna get anywhere between 25 to 30 grams of protein per serving. Shaken or blended, you really can't go wrong with either. But I'd love to hear from you. What do you think? And what are some of your favorite muscle building recipes? If you're interested, you can join my free newsletter to get more from me by clicking the link in the description box below As well as you'll also find more information and special discount links. For more recipes, stay tuned. I'll be sharing more meat-based recipes in the future. Thanks for watching, and until next time.